Welcome back to Happy Bake Day. My name is Amanda, and today we are going to be making a caramelized onion and Parmesan cheese puff pastry galette. In a large cast iron skillet, melt a half a cup of unsalted butter over medium heat. Add 2 large onions that have been sliced and seasoned with some salt and pepper. Cook your onions, stirring occasionally until the onions become soft and slightly browned. Remove them from the heat and allow them to cool down. In a medium bowl, you'll combine 8 ounces of cream cheese softened, 1 large egg, 3 cloves of garlic that have been grated, 1 tablespoon of chopped fresh dill, half a cup of Parmesan cheese. You're gonna mix until everything is really well combined. Then season with some salt and pepper and mix again. Take 2 sheets of frozen puff pastry that have been thawed and place them on parchment paper and gently roll them out. Use a sharp knife or a pizza cutter to trim ½ inch off each side of the puff pastry and set the scraps aside. In a small bowl, you'll combine another large egg and a teaspoon of water. Whisk it really well together to create an egg wash. Use a basting brush to baste the egg wash around the edges of your puff pastry, and then you're going to add your scraps back on top of your puff pastry over where you put your egg wash to create kind of a picture frame. Transfer your puff pastry to a baking tray, then gently spread your cream cheese mixture over the center of your puff pastry, but careful not to get it on your border. Top with your caramelized onions, then brush the border of your puff pastry with more egg wash. Sprinkle with another ½ cup of Parmesan cheese, then this is ready for baking. You'll bake your galette in an oven that's been preheated to 400 degrees for about 20 to 25 minutes or until the puff pastry is beautifully puffed up and golden brown. Allow your galette to cool on your baking tray, then this is ready for eating. Our caramelized onion and Parmesan cheese puff pastry galette is done. It's delicious and we are ready to dive in. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and join me again next week.